what you do. You know that all I think about is you. Say the things.
So today we have come to visit this place here, Playa de Burro. Yeah, I've seen it to be a very beautiful beach, to be a very beautiful stretch, and so we want to go to that one, to that.
I will die. Oh.
You will die.
Yeah, you are black and I white. That's different.
Look at this beach. Have you seen any black person apart from you? All of them are white and you are
No,
complaining.
they are not white.
Shame on you.
They are Spanish.
It looks beautiful.
Yeah, but
Yo, we have these boats here. Do you think we can rent one and ride a little bit? It will be fun. We just pay here. I don't think if it is much euros. The what? You can swim with your books, then it will dry. Look here is where you can rent the boat. Oh, it's only 20 euro for 1 hour. We rent it? Yeah, we can rent it. So we have rented a boat, this one, number 2, and we just want to go in the water and enjoy. I'm afraid. Yo.
I tried to turn around.
Okay, let's go back.
Yeah, you still don't. Then you do like this.
I pedal. No, not back. We turn around.
Yeah, but and if you not stop, then I go in. I
Okay.
have to try to find out how we do it.
Okay.
I've never tested this here before.
Me too.
Yeah, so you say you want.
It looks fun, but it's scary. We are going deep.
Yeah.
We have to go back.
Yeah, but I cannot. I have to see what I do.
Okay.
Don't do anything you like.
Okay. Okay. I'm afraid when the waves come. Oh, it's not even deep. That man is walking in the water. But I'm afraid though. We are enjoying Palma. Yo. Say hi. The water. No. The water is coming. Say hi, yo. Yeah, man. Yo. Look here.
Hello.
The driver and the co-driver. The co-driver is afraid. Yeah, me, I'm afraid because I don't know how to swim. You know how to swim. Yo. We have started to. He did not teach us what to do. He just gave us the boat.
Because we don't understand the English.
Yeah, they don't speak any English here. That's the problem. Let's not go very deep.
I hope.
But those people there are enjoying with babies.
Yeah.
Look at people in the ocean, in the sea, enjoying the breeze. We go this way. Huh? We turn.
I can turn around with this hair.
We have to go back to him, then he will teach us how to turn, or like this. We are going the wrong way. He said we have to remain here.
Come on. That should be turn around you too.
Oh. No, we go back this way.
Yeah, I'll try that.
Okay. See where we are going, in the deep water. Pedal. Woo, this is fun. Wait until I fall in the water. That's when I'll start screaming. Yo, come for me. Ow, here the waves are too strong. We turn around. Yeah. Huh? We are close to the shore. Okay. You know how to swim. That's the problem. Me, I don't know how to swim well.
You have the time of your life every single night. The confetti's raining down. You put your hands to the sky.
Don't knock that boat. Look at us. Yo, we are going to knock them.
No, don't let me know.
Okay. I stop pedaling. Okay. Okay. We start to go back. No, we are not even far away. Put it this way.
Yeah, if I find it out. This area is not going good.
Move it.
Spin around a little bit hard.
Okay.
Let me spin.
We swim.
You see now?
Yeah. It's going, yeah. Woohoo! Woohoo! Enjoy Mallorca. More where? Like this?
Yeah.
No, I'm afraid. The water is becoming more and more.
Yeah, they're coming more and more.
Yeah, the waves. No, I'm turning again. Why?
Not you, I do.
You are the one who is turning.
Yeah, of course. I don't know why you go in the boat like that when you are afraid.
To have fun.
Yeah, and all the time it's go out over me. No, I will stop and listen.
Stop to listen to me. Don't stop to listen to me, oh. Got him, the driver. Let me pedal. No, the waves is too much here. Oh. We are done. We are done with our boat rides because the waves are too much and I'm sort of scared. Look at someone, he has been bathing actually in the ocean. He's wet all over. Okay. You are wet all over. The boat driver. You are the boat driver.
Afraid. Oh my God.
Huh?
You was very afraid.
Yeah, of course I was afraid. Why are the waves so much?
Why you wanna run away? Why you gotta be afraid? I wish I could make you stay. Cause baby, I love you. Why you tryna break us up? When I'm tryna build it up. I wish I could make you stop. Cause baby, I love you. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight.
Very beautiful. But it's not so good to work here because I can fall down in this wood place.
Oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. While you tryna fight, just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that.
No, the funny girl come back.
Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that.
the long bridge of Palma, and I've been to the far end. It looks awesome. The views are lovely. Yeah. And right now I'm feeling nervous because the waves have started to be so much. It's windy. So I'm just going back. It has been a nice day. Wow. You should visit this place because it is lovely. The views are awesome. That's all I can say. Oh, the waves are becoming more because we have a boat coming, a tourist boat. Look at that, full of tourists. Wow, this island is so touristic. Every time it's so packed up, so full.
You know, don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost. Oh, I don't feel right when I dance alone. I don't feel right when you don't come home. I miss your body and I love you so. Baby, I do, oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. While you try to fight, just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me.
Oh, actually, this bridge is used by these boats. So when people are coming, then they use the bridge to get out from the boat. Oh wow, it's lovely. It's bringing more tourists to Palma.
I would be up waiting for you if you had to leave. I would wait a lifetime if you were at sea. I just wanna say that I feel that our love is real. Maybe we should hurry up and seal the deal. Oh, oh, I just wanna love you right. Oh, oh, love you till the end of time. I just wanna hold you for forever. Every day you're making me better. 'Cause a love like this is rare. And I wanna take you there. I would give it all away to do it all again. Make our
You are fun.
Next time you have to listen to me, then it should be better.
Okay. Yes, sir. Yeah. Move back.
Yeah, there we have the Ponte girl. She do so many special things I have never seen before. We go out in the boat and the commodes swim, and she was so scared, so I had to jump off with the nice clothes I have on me. So they still are there for driving. Oh, not driving, dry.
One thing I've noticed with houses here in Spain, they are made of bricks. It's not like in Norway where most of the houses are made of wood. Yeah, that's a difference. I think because the country is warm, like right now it's very, very hot, screaming hot. Yeah, and we were told like in the winter is when it gets cold, but it's only raining. We don't have snow except on the top of the mountains. Yo yo, yo yo, yo yo man. See the way you are happy and the way you are complaining. Yo, man. How is Spain for you?
Pain is good. Pain is good. Pain is good.
Spain is good. But how comes many of the houses here, they are made of stone?
Yeah.
It's not like wood in Norway or in the Scandinavia.
Here they don't need
The wood, it's hot throughout the year.
the winter.
Okay. Yeah, up there we can get the taxi. Hi. Yo, man. Yo. We have horses there. You can go and ride one. Here. Yeah, the horses. Yeah, he said the taxi will be there. They are there.
Yeah.
So let's go and find one. The streets of Mallorca.